Hello, this is Lonium, and today I will be picking this ASSA 700. This is my, 7th, 8th, 9th attempt to do this, but I am feeling confident. Okay, so now I'm going to check pins for 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so now it's time to get 6 and 7 under control. Pretty sure I dropped a back pin. That's the only thing I can think of that would lose that false set. Which is actually pretty deep. Float picking dropped a back pin again. Sorry about those sounds. Those are not my fault. I'm going to reset it and reclamp my device. Okay, I hope that doesn't. That means I did not get myself stuck on a torpedo. Okay, so let's double check it back. Let's see if this will drop any deeper. Okay, so it's obvious that I'm dealing with the Christmas trees in 6 and 7 with milling. Yeah, I know. Pretty sure I got stuck on a torpedo that last time. torpedoes are annoying, as are Christmas trees and gins. If I got a torpedo, that means I need to jiggle it back and forth just to make sure that that thing falls back. Okay, so that means I'm into the gins for Christmas trees. Torpedoes can be annoying, I know. That's part of what makes this lock so tough. Yes! Okay, time to gut it. I'm going to hold it right here as I remove the vise, and I'm going to lock it back up before anything bad happens, and keeping it in frame, which means right there. Okay. Yeah. There is no circlip on stupid circlippy thing on it, because that refused to come off when I needed it to. Okay, so we're gonna start off with pin 1. I threaded this because of gutting disaster early on. Okay. What happened was a Christmas tree got stuck in an anti-drill pin slot. Get back there. Pin 3. I'm doing my best not to obscure anything. But it's a pain when you're gutting this sort of thing around a camera. But I will not let it go out of frame, because that would void this thing. Okay. You know what? I'm going to put that back in. And gut the rest with a follower. Or just to show that the gin bottles and all are incorrectly. Okay, key is in my big case. gonna set you there. Get a shim without obscuring the camera. And the last thing I want is to screw up the gutting. Yep, it'll work. Hold it like this. Okay, so I know what it's caught on. So I will loosen the pin. Okay, so I'm going to remove the spring. Okay, and push it the rest of the way out. I'm going to set you there. I'm going to move you to slot 7. Okay. Now pin numbers. Okay, so pin number 7, torpedo. Pin number 6, torpedo. Pin number 5, standard. Number 4, torpedo. And then an anti-drill pin just fell out. Okay, so I'm going to set the core right here. The key can just be dropped. Okay, so now that the shim is out, I'm going to start gutting it, gutting the drivers. Okay, so there's nothing there. Christmas tree. Spring. Christmas tree that fell down, but was right side up. Spring that went flying, but is now back. And this one is going to be a tiny gin. It was right side up. I assure you that. And spring. Let me just neaten it up a bit. Okay, so drivers down to the key pins. Stupid spring. Okay. Now for the core. You can see the milling marks. Let me grab something that will. So, 1 is milled, 2 is milled, 3 is not. Wait, no. 1 is not, 2 is, 3 is not, 4 is, 5 is not, 6 is, 7 is. Okay. And so falls a 700. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.